Every year, millions of Muslims gather in Makkah for one of the greatest spiritual journeys known to humanity, Hajj. But what is Hajj? Why is it so important in Islam? And what does it symbolize? In this video, we'll explore Hajj from an Islamic perspective, and its meaning, significance, and rituals, all based on authentic Islamic teachings. What is Hajj? Hajj is the fifth pillar of Islam. It is the pilgrimage to the holy city of Makkah in Saudi Arabia, and it is obligatory once in a lifetime for every adult Muslim who is physically and financially able to perform it. Allah says in the Qur'an, "And due to Allah from the people is a pilgrimage to the house, for whoever is able to find thereto a way." Surah Al-Imran 397. Hajj takes place every year in the Islamic month of Dhul Hijjah, specifically from the 8th to the 13th of the month. It is not just a journey of the body, it is a journey of the soul. The historical roots of Hajj. The rituals of Hajj go back to the time of Prophet Ibrahim, عليه, who along with his son Ismail عليه, built the Kaaba, the first house of worship for the one true God. Allah commanded Ibrahim to proclaim the pilgrimage and proclaim to the people the Hajj, Surah Al-Hajj 22:27. Prophet Muhammad restored the original teachings of Hajj and performed it in the 10th year after Hijrah. His Hajj, known as Hajjat al-Wada, the farewell pilgrimage, became the model for Muslims to follow. The spiritual significance of Hajj. Hajj is more than just rituals. It is a powerful reminder of Tawheed, the oneness of Allah, unity, humility, and submission. All pilgrims wear the same simple white clothing called ihram, erasing differences of wealth, race, and nationality. This symbolizes equality before Allah. The Prophet said, "Whoever performs Hajj and does not commit any obscenity or wrongdoing, he will come back as free from sins as the day his mother gave birth to him." Sahih al-Bukhari, 1521, Sahih Muslim. Step-by-step of Hajj rituals. Here is a simplified overview of the major rituals of Hajj. Fund Ihram, the state of consecration. Pilgrims enter it at specific points called miqat, declaring the intention with the words, "Labbaik Allahumma labbaik." Here I am, O Allah, here I am. 2. Tawaf, circling the Kaaba 7 times, just as the Prophet did. Ayn Sa'i, walking between Safa and Marwa, commemorating Hajar's search for water for her son Ismail. 4. Mina. Pilgrims stay overnight in tents praying and preparing. 5. Arafah, the heart of Hajj. Pilgrims stand in prayer from noon to sunset. The Prophet said, "Hajj is Arafah." Sunan al-Tirmidhi, 889. Surah Muzdalifah. Pilgrims collect pebbles and spend the night under the open sky. 7. Rami al-Jamarat, stoning the pillars representing Shaitan in Mina, symbolizing rejection of evil. 8. Sacrifice, Qurbani, commemorating Ibrahim's willingness to sacrifice his son for Allah. 9. Tawaf al-Ifada. And 10. Farewell Tawaf, final circuits around the Kaaba. Lessons from Hajj. Hajj teaches us patience, discipline, humility, and unity. It breaks down all barriers and reminds us that we are all servants of one Creator. It also symbolizes our journey toward the hereafter. Just as pilgrims leave behind their homes and wear simple garments, we will one day leave this world and stand before Allah. Hajj is truly the journey of a lifetime. It is a purification of the heart and a renewal of faith. May Allah grant all of us the chance to perform Hajj and accept it from those who do. If you found this video beneficial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Islamic content. And complete the Hajj and Umrah for Allah. Surah Al-Baqarah 2:196.